Hello, welcome to RapzWorldWide software, and these are 10 things you should know about the humanoid robot Sophia. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell next to it for more updates. Number 1. Sophia is the first ever robot to get citizenship of a country. Not only is she the first robot to get the citizenship of Saudi Arabia, but she also has more rights than any other woman in Saudi Arabia. Sophia has no male guardian and wears no abaya, two restrictions that are imposed on Saudi women. Number 2. Sophia the humanoid robot became a sensation by appearing on the cover page of the famous Elle magazine. Number 3. Sophia can raise her eyebrows and she can also grind her teeth when she wants to express anger. Sophia has 62 different facial and neck mechanisms to create the natural-looking movements under her patented silicone skin. Number 4. Sophia was created by Dr. David Hansen, founder of Hansen Robotics. Man has a worldwide reputation for creating robots that look and act exactly like humans. Hansen's work at Disney as a sculptor and filmmaker helped him think about robots as four-dimensional interactive sculptures, with artistry being key to the whole design. Hansen Robotics was founded in 2005 and its first robot was Albert Einstein Hubo. Other humanoid Hansen robots are Jules, Zeno, Alice, Philip K. Dick. Number 5. Sophia is not only designed to showcase with a lot of expressions, but is also designed in a way that she will learn and adapt daily via conversations, behaviors of humans and other robots, and will keep getting smarter over time. Number 6. Sophia has interests in business and has met industry leaders from the banking, insurance, auto manufacturing, property development, media, and the entertainment industry. Number 7. Sophia in an interview says that family is a very important thing. She added if she has a robot daughter she would name it after her and that she believed that droids deserve to have a family. Number 8. Initially, Sophia did not have legs so she couldn't move. But later, she has been upgraded with legs and now she can move freely. Number 9. Sophia has specifically been created to replicate the looks of the legendary Audrey Hepburn. She has porcelain skin, a slender nose, and high cheekbones, much like Audrey Hepburn. She also has expressive eyes that seem to change color in accordance with the light. Number 10. Sophia is a famous face and she has been invited to a lot of shows such as On the Tonight Show and other numerous conferences around the world, including the World Economic Forum and the AI for Good Global Summit. She also sang a song, All Is Made of Love at GIMC 2016. Thank you for watching this video and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you.